as luck would have it, I'm in the food court right now. So this is it. And sides as well.
7. Maybe.
These are your choices.
Yeah.
And across that, see that checkered green and dark green building? That's TFDL, that's a Taylor Family Digital Library. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the newly built digital library that we have. It has 6 floors. The first 3 floors are for group work, I guess, and the last 3 floors are for quiet study.
Yeah, you can see that that's the pharmacy store. And to the right is the campus ticket. That's the second landmark, right?
Okay.
Then we go straight.
Okay.
To our left is the food court. And you can see this campus security again, right?
Yeah.
So let me just, here, this is the name.
Okay.
And it's $6.74. So you want a muffin? It's $1.43.
Really? How big is it? Is it like 1 bite? Oh, okay.
It's big.
That's
right?
pretty good.
The color, the other color, the blue color, that, yeah, maybe the white color, that one, how much?
This one?
How much that?